Input-output tables, very exciting these. What we've got to do here, we've been given an input-output table where we've got -4 as our function. It gives us a table to fill in. So we're given a number of 7 going in. So all we do, we've got to work out what the number coming out is. So 7 take 4 is going to be 3. Careful, if we have 3 as an input, take away 4, we're going to be dealing with a negative number here. So that would make the answer -1. Sometimes on these questions, they might ask you to work things backwards. So if I've been given a 9 coming out of the table, I've got to work what's going into the table. So in other words, I've got to use the inverse. I've got to actually add 4 in. So I've got to work it backwards. So in other words, 9 add 4 gives me 13. Quick check. 13 take 4 gives me the 9. Tricky negative number there. So I've got -6 here. Remember, I've got to add the 4 to it. Adding 4 to -6 then gives me -2. But now I've got a two-stage one, so I've got 2 things to think of here. I'm going to have +3 and then take away 1. So I start with my 4 going in. So 4 plus 3 is going to be 7. Take away 1 is then going to be 6. So 4 plus 3 take 1 leaves us with 6. The output table here, if I've got 23 coming out, I'm going to take away the 1, so that means I'm going to have to add the 1 going in. So adding 1, that puts me on to 24, and then taking the 3 then takes us back down to 21. So I end up with an input of 21. These type here, sometimes you've got to work out what's inside the box. So 2 to 12, I could be timing by 6. Let's check the next one though. 5 to 15, I'm adding 10. Or I was adding 10 for the 2 to the 12. Check it on this one. -4 to 6. Yes, that is actually adding 10. So the result that goes in there would be to add 10. So there we have it. Input-output tables, 1 stage and 2 stage.